Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, your host.
And I'm Julia, your co-host. We're so happy to have you here with us today. If you're trying to sound more natural in English conversations, this episode is going to be super helpful.
That's right. Today, we're talking about something very important, but often overlooked: small talk. You know, those short, everyday conversations we have with people at work, at school, in shops, or even on the street.
Exactly. Small talk is how conversations usually begin. It helps us connect with others in a friendly way, even if we don't know them very well. It's like the first step to building relationships.
And the good news is, you don't need perfect grammar or long sentences to make great small talk. In fact, just a few simple sentences can make you sound confident and polite.
In this episode, we're going to teach you 100 small talk sentences that you can use in everyday English. We've organized them into real-life situations, so it's easy to remember and practice.
From greetings and talking about the weather, to chatting at work, at the store, or even just giving someone a compliment, we've got you covered.
And later in the episode, we'll also do a fun role play, break it down together, and give you some practical tips to use these sentences in your daily life.
So grab a notebook if you want to take notes, or just relax and listen. By the end of this episode, you'll have 100 natural English sentences ready to use in real conversations.
All right, let's jump in and talk about why small talk matters and how it helps you sound more like a native speaker.
So, before we jump into the 100 small talk sentences, let's take a moment to understand. What exactly is small talk?
Good question. Small talk is casual, polite conversation that people use to start a conversation or keep it going. It's not about deep or serious topics. It's about being friendly, showing interest, and connecting with others.
Right. For example, when someone says, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" That's small talk. Or when a cashier says, "How's your day going?" That's also small talk.
Exactly. And we use small talk all the time. At work, at the bus stop, in a cafe, at the gym, even when we're just walking past a neighbor and say, "Good morning."
It might seem simple, but small talk is very important in English-speaking countries. People use it to be polite, build trust, and start conversations in a friendly way.
And for English learners, small talk is a great way to practice speaking. You don't have to worry about long grammar rules, just short, natural sentences.
Also, small talk helps you feel more confident. When you know what to say in different situations, it becomes easier to speak up and join conversations.
That's right. And even if you're shy or nervous about speaking English, using small talk is a great first step. It shows you're open, respectful, and interested in others.
So in this episode, we want to help you build that confidence. We'll give you lots of examples, and you can start using them right away in real life.
Let's begin with our first category, greetings and introductions. This is where small talk usually starts.
All right, let's start with the basics. Greetings and introductions. These are the first words we say when we meet someone.
Yes, here are some great small talk sentences to begin a friendly conversation. Sentences: Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Long time no see. How have you been? What's new with you? Hey, nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. Are you new here? What brings you here? It's great running into you.
Let's try a short Hi, Julia. Long time no see.
Hey, Jason. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?
Pretty good. Just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. Just trying to stay on top of everything. 3.2. Weather and mood talk. 3 minutes. Now let's talk about the weather, one of the most common small talk topics.
That's true. It's an easy way to start chatting with someone, even a stranger. Sentences: 11. Nice weather today, isn't it? 12th. It's really cold this morning. 13. Can you believe all this rain? 14. It feels like summer already. 15. Looks like it might snow tonight. 16. It's so hot today. 17. I love this kind of weather. 18. The sky looks beautiful today. 19. I think a storm is coming. 20. At least it's not raining. 3.3. Work and school conversations. 3 minutes. Next up, work and school. These are commonplaces for small talk.
Especially during breaks, meetings, or when you're just arriving. Sentences. 21. How's work going? 22nd. Busy day today? 23rd. Did you finish that project? 24. How was your meeting? 25. What do you do? 26. How long have you worked here? 27th. Are you enjoying your classes? 28. What are you studying? 29th. Do you have a lot of homework? 30. I hope your exam went well. 3.4. Weekend and free time. 3 minutes. People also love to talk about their weekends or free time.
That's right. It's relaxed and personal, but still easy to talk about. Sentences. 31. Got any plans for the weekend? 32. How was your weekend? 33rd. Did you go anywhere fun? 34. I finally had time to relax. 35. I went to the movies. 36. I visited my family. 37. Just stayed home and rested. 38. I went hiking. It was great. 39. What do you usually do on weekends? 40. Do you like staying busy or relaxing? 3.5. Shopping in public places. 3 minutes. Next, let's talk about shopping or being in public places, like cafes or stores.
Yes, these are perfect for friendly short conversations. Sentences. 41. That's a nice jacket. 42. Do you come here often? 43. I love this coffee shop. 44. It's always so busy here. 45. Have you tried their sandwiches? 46. That looks good. What is it? 47. The line is long today, huh? 48. It's my first time here. 49. I like your bag. Where did you get it? 50. This place has great reviews. 3.6. Talking about family or friends. 3 minutes. Let's move on to family and friends, a topic people enjoy talking about.
It helps you connect more deeply, even in casual talk. Sentences. 51. How's your family doing? 52nd. Do you have any siblings? 53rd. Are your kids in school? 54. I met your brother. He's really nice. 55. How's your wife or husband? 56. Do you live with your family? 57. I've heard you have a big family. 58. Do your parents live nearby? 59. What do your kids like to do? 60. That's a lovely photo of your family. 3.7. Light compliments and casual opinions. 3 minutes. Sometimes small talk includes light compliments or sharing simple opinions.
Just be friendly, not too personal. It keeps things positive. Sentences. 61. I like your shoes. 62. You did a great job on that presentation. 63. That color looks good on you. 64. This place has a nice vibe. 65. Your handwriting is so neat. 66. I love your energy today. 67. That's an interesting idea. 68. You always have great style. 69. I like how you think. 70. This music is really relaxing. 3.8. Ending conversations. Politely. 3 minutes. And finally, how to end a small talk conversation politely and naturally.
These are super useful when you need to leave but still want to be friendly. Sentences. 71. It was nice talking to you. 72. I should get going. 73rd. Let's catch up again soon. 74. I'll see you around. 75. Take care. 76. Have a good day. 77. Enjoy your weekend. 78. Talk to you later. 79. Thanks for the chat. 80. Bye for now. Bonus. 20 more sentences for any situation. Extra 4 minutes. As a bonus, here are 20 more small talk sentences you can use in many situations.
Yes, these are simple, flexible, and friendly. Sentences. 81. How's everything? 82. What's keeping you busy these days? 83. I haven't seen you in a while. 84. Do you live around here? 85. I love your accent. Where are you from? 86. Are you working on anything exciting? 87. What do you like to do for fun? 88. That's interesting. Tell me more. 89. Is this your first time here? 90. It's a small world, isn't it? 91. Hope your day is going well. 92. You look happy today. 93. Do you usually come here alone? 94. I've always wanted to try that. 95. How do you usually spend your evenings? 96. Do you have any recommendations? 97. I'm new to this place. 98. That's good to know. 99. What do you think about this place? 100. Thanks for being so friendly.
Hey, Julia. Wow, I didn't expect to see you here.
Hey, Jason. Yeah, I come here sometimes on weekends. How's everything?
Pretty good, thanks. Just needed some fresh air and coffee. You?
Same here. I had a busy week, so I thought I'd relax a bit. Got any weekend plans?
Nothing big. I might visit my parents tomorrow. How about you?
I'm thinking of going hiking if the weather stays nice. Looks like a beautiful day, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. It finally feels like spring. I love this kind of weather.
Me too. Oh, by the way, I love your jacket. Looks warm but stylish.
Thanks. I got it on sale last month. I've worn it almost every day since.
Haha, I get that. So how's work going?
Busy, as usual. We just finished a big project. It feels good to have it done. What about you? Still teaching online?
Yes, I am. It's going well. My students have been really active lately, which makes it more fun.
That's great to hear. You always bring such good energy. Your students are lucky.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot. Oh, I should get going. I promised to meet a friend for lunch.
No worries. It was really nice running into you.
Same here. Let's catch up properly sometime soon.
Absolutely. Enjoy your weekend, Julia.
You too, Jason. Take care.
So that was a quick example of natural small talk. Nothing too deep, just light, friendly conversation that helps keep a connection.
And we used a lot of the sentences we shared earlier. Greetings, weather, compliments, weekend plans, and polite goodbyes. It's a mix of everything.
All right, let's break down that small talk conversation we just had. We'll highlight a few key sentences and explain why they work so well in everyday English.
Let's start from the top. You said, "Hey, Julia." Wow, I didn't expect to see you here. That's a great opener. It sounds friendly and surprised in a good way.
Right. It's perfect for when you run into someone by chance. Then you asked, "How's everything?" That's a casual way to check in without being too formal.
Exactly. Then we talked about the weekend. You asked, "Got any weekend plans?" That's one of the most natural small talk questions. People love talking about what they're doing or planning to do.
And you responded with something relaxed, like, "I'm thinking of going hiking if the weather stays nice," which led to me saying, "Looks like a beautiful day, doesn't it?"
Yes, that's weather small talk at its best. Simple, friendly, and easy for anyone to respond to. I followed up with a light compliment. I love your jacket. Compliments are great for building connection and making people feel good.
Then we moved into talking about work. I asked, "How's work going?" and you asked about teaching. These kinds of open-ended questions show interest and keep the conversation flowing.
And finally, when I needed to leave, I said I should get going. I promised to meet a friend. That's a polite way to end a conversation without being rude. And you said it was really nice running into you, which makes it warm and friendly.
So in that short talk, we covered greetings, weather, compliments, weekend plans, work, and a polite goodbye. And all of it was done with simple, clear, natural English.
Exactly. If learners remember just a few of those phrases, they'll be ready to start small talk anywhere with confidence.
So now that you've learned 100 small talk sentences and heard how they work in a real conversation, you might be wondering, how do I practice this in real life?
Great question. And the answer is, you don't need to wait for a perfect moment. You can start practicing small talk every single day in small ways.
For example, when you greet your neighbor, try saying, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" Or when you buy something at a shop, smile and say, "How's your day going?"
Exactly. These are small moments, but they help you get used to speaking naturally in English. Even if it's just 1 or 2 sentences, it counts.
Also, try practicing with yourself at home. Look in the mirror and pretend you're meeting someone. Say things like, "Hi, nice to meet you," or "What do you do?"
Another great tip is to use small talk with language exchange partners or in online classes. Start your conversation with a friendly sentence, like, "Did you do anything fun this weekend?"
You can also write your own small talk sentences in a notebook, especially ones that fit your daily life. Practice them out loud every morning or before going out.
And don't worry if it's not perfect. Small talk isn't about grammar. It's about being polite, friendly, and showing interest in others.
The more you do it, the more natural it feels. Just like learning to ride a bike, start small, keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking without thinking.
So go ahead and try 1 or 2 small talk sentences today. You might be surprised how easy and fun it becomes.
All right, it's time for today's listener challenge. We want you to take action. Not just listen, but actually speak.
Here's the challenge. Choose 5 small talk sentences from this episode and use them in real life today.
You can say them to a friend, a classmate, a shop assistant, a co-worker, or even someone online. The goal is to speak out loud in a real situation.
And if you're shy or don't meet many people today, no worries. You can practice with yourself in front of a mirror or record a voice message to a friend in English.
Let's give a quick example. If I'm at the store, I might say, "How's your day going?" Or, "It's really cold today, isn't it?"
Exactly. It doesn't need to be long. Even 1 sentence is a win. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So go for it. Pick 5 sentences, write them down, and use them today. You've got this.
And if you'd like to share how it went, feel free to comment on this episode or tag us on social media. We'd love to hear your progress.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. 100 small talk sentences for everyday English.